I cite the paradox of hedonism in response to questions like, well, why should I be moral? Why should I pursue morality? Why shouldn't I just go after my own happiness? Why shouldn't I earn what money I can and then retire to the beach where I'll have, beautiful people of the other sex roaming around or skin or whatever.